The circle of fifths is a helpful way of visualizing the relationships between keys. When you think circle of fifths, think fat cats go down alleys eating birds. It's an acronym that'll help you remember how to set up the circle of fifths on your own. So take the first letter of each word of that acronym and write it out in a circle. Fat cats go down alleys eating birds. Then draw yourself a circle and a pie slice for each letter. Around C, make C really bold and dark. We'll talk about why in a minute. And then extend the line that starts before F, because that's the beginning of your sentence. Fat cats go down alleys eating birds starts with fat. So we're going to put a line here. This is the beginning. After that, draw the number 0 in the C pie slice. Why 0 there? Because 0 is the number of sharps and flats that the key of C has. It has no sharps and no flats. Just the white keys on the keyboard. Sharps go around clockwise, starting from C, and flats go around counterclockwise, starting from C. So the key of G is a key that has notes that are sharp in it. How many sharps does the key of G have? Start at C, which has 0, and then that means that G has 1 sharp. Which note is sharp in the key of G? Start at the spur, count clockwise for sharps, and you'll see that the note F is sharp in the key of G. So let's try it on the keyboard, starting at G. Whenever we get to this F, we're going to play it as an F sharp, since the key of G has 1 sharp. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Again, for the key of D, first let's figure out how many sharps are in the key of D. 0, 1, 2. There's 2 sharps in the key of D. Which 2 notes are sharp in the key of D? Starting at the spur, we see that F and C are sharp because it has 2 sharps, so the first 2 sharps that we run into are going to be notes that are sharp in the key of D. So if I run into an F or a C, I'm going to play F sharp or C sharp. So starting on D, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Same thing is true with key of A. A has how many sharps? 0, 1, 2, 3 sharps. Which notes are sharp in the key of A? We'll count the first 3 sharps, F, C, and G.